This is a quick overview of the Panasonic SDR-H40. As you can see, it's a standard definition camera. It's got a 42 times optical zoom and a 2000 times digital zoom. It's got a pure colour engine and it's got editing on board, so you can split, delete, etc. And it's got an advanced optical image stabilizer. As you can see from the front, it takes SD cards and it records on a 40 gig drive for up to 36 hours. It's got a lens cover. You've got the zoom toggle operation on the back, as you'd expect to see. You've got video, play, still capture, playback. You've got like a little joystick control, menu buttons, and you've got the USB and AV socket in. It's got a nice design, ergonomic, quite light for a hard drive camcorder. And it's got a stereo mic on the front. On the bottom you can see the tripod jack. That's where we attach the illuminator. The illuminator just attaches and then tighten it up in place. See the SD card slot. Opening up the door, looking inside, we've got the auto manual controls. So with the manual controls you get full adjustment of your aperture, your iris, etc. So you can get some really good, neat night work under the infrared illumination. So this one in particular is converted to full spectrum, so it's suited well to paranormal or UFO work, or basically just looking at, say, nocturnal wildlife, etc. Bats, foxes, badgers. But with that you may need more powerful flood illuminators that we can also provide.